Happy Father's Day to everyone. Happy Father's Day to my dad, to my kuyas, to the spiritual mentors, or to everyone who became father figure for their friends and colleagues. Happy Father's Day. Me and my dad had been close ever since I was a kid. They said the eldest daughter is the female version of the dads. When I was 16 years old, someone invited me at the church service. And my dad is my parent at that time because my mom needs to work overseas at Canada. At that time, he's ever been supported of my faith. And one service he attended, and he quite observed the surroundings. And we have like that faith conversation about it, how he understands the preaching or the sermon. And he said to me, as long as it is safe and you're going there, go ahead. And I've been a consistent attendee of the church. And ever since, every summertime, he's been supportive of me for my Bible camps. He knows the place, he knows the people that I hang out with. Fast forward, when we moved to Canada, our relationship is still the same, but in a different setup. He's been still the caring, the servant leader, the person I can ask life advices, and he also trained me to be independent, to make my life decisions, as long as it is right. Right now, it is our first time to be in a long distance relationship as parent and children. I didn't understand how he felt before when him and my mom have been in a long distance relationship for 6 years. That was tough though. but now I realize how hard it is. You're longing for the home you used to have. Like, they're always here, and everything is different when you move by yourself. You need to make decisions on your own. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your name, your reputation, and you need to solve everything.